Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Winter calls for something warm and comforting, so today I'm making a flavor-packed mutton stew. It pairs beautifully with bread, rice, or literally anything you love. Packed with spices and full of flavor. Let's get cooking. Heat a heavy bottom pot and add 1/3 cup mustard oil, about 5 tablespoons. You can use any heavy base vessels because the stew is slow cooked and heavy pots give better flavor and even cooking. While the oil warms up, I'll show you the whole spices we are using. I'm taking 3 dried red chilies, just break them into small pieces. Then we have 4 bay leaves, 4 small cinnamon sticks, you can take 1 long stick, 2 big cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves, 6 green cardamom, half teaspoon black peppercorns, and a few strands of mace, or you can take half. For the aromatic paste, I have 2 tablespoons of roughly ground coriander, not a fine powder, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger and garlic, and I will also be using 2 tablespoons of smooth ginger garlic paste. I have sliced 2 large onions. Add 2 extra onions if you want more gravy, restaurant style. Once the oil is hot, add all the whole spices and temper them for a few seconds while stirring. Now add the coriander powder followed by the onions. Mix well and saute for about a minute until the onions turn slightly pink. Well, I'm taking a little over 1 kg of mutton, approximately 1.2 kgs. I have cleaned and washed it and cut them into medium-sized pieces. It's a mix of meat and bones which give the stew extra flavor. Give the onions a quick stir. Once they turn slightly pink and soft, it's time to add the mutton. Next, add 1½ tablespoons of salt, the grated ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons of smooth ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 1½ teaspoons of turmeric powder. Mix everything so the spices coat the meat evenly. And let it cook for some time until the color changes slightly. Stir the mutton once and let it continue cooking for 2 more minutes. Give it another stir. Now the mutton's color has slightly changed and it has cooked for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's time to add the curd. Add half a cup curd and mix well before adding water. Now add 1½ cup of water. Cover and let the mutton cook on low heat for 40 minutes. I have already chopped 2 medium-sized tomatoes, so let's add them now. Once you add the tomatoes, cover the lid and continue cooking for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the tomatoes should be soft. Give it a quick stir and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check the mutton and add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and continue cooking for 5 minutes more. The mutton is almost done as the oil is separating, but the stew looks a little dry, so I'm adding 1/4 cup water. You can adjust this depending on how much gravy you want. 1/4 cup is perfect for me. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Let's get some fresh coriander from my kitchen garden. It adds amazing flavor to the stew. Wash and chop the coriander and also slice a bit of ginger thinly for garnish. Finally, add some thinly sliced ginger and chopped coriander. You can also add green chilies if you like. Let the flavor infuse for a minute and that is it. Your stew is ready. This was our slow cook mutton stew. The total cooking time is around 1 hour 20 minutes. A bit longer than cooking in a pressure cooker, but totally worth the wait. The flavors are rich and the mutton melts in the mouth. Totally worth every minute. Remove the pot from the stove and serve hot with naan, roti or a rice of your choice, along with some sliced lemon and onions. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. All the mutton lovers did try it and let me know your thoughts in comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gags Kitchen for more amazing home-cooked recipes. Thank you for watching Gags Kitchen and I'll see you in next one.